When searching for the right dermatologist, keep these important things in mind. Your search for a competent specialist should begin with a good rapport between you and your prospective dermatologist. You should research reputable websites that list certified dermatology specialists in your local area. Upon your initial consultation, observe if the facility is clean and organized, and the staff is helpful and courteous when addressing your questions. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a dermatologist that's right for you. 1. Your dermatologist should be certified to practice dermatology in your local area. Ask if they have attended an accredited medical school. 2. Find out if the dermatologist is skilled in the specific treatment needed. Often dermatologists have areas of specialization. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right dermatologist. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.